The tube lifter JumboFlex enables quick and effortless operation in different logistics processes. The ergonomic design and function of the control handle makes the JumboFlex the ideal lift assist device when handling lighter weights with high cycle rates. With the simple 1 or 2 finger trigger, loads can be smoothly lifted, lowered, and released. After turning on the main switch, the vacuum generator starts running. The lift tube contracts to the configurable standby height. The JumboFlex is now ready for use. Once the operator squeezes the trigger to lower it onto the workpiece, the suction cup automatically grips and the weight can be lifted immediately. As soon as the operator presses the trigger, air is introduced and weakens the vacuum. The lift tube extends downward. The workpiece lowers. To release the workpiece, the trigger has to be pressed beyond the stop position. Workpieces which are gripped from the vertical side automatically swing into the horizontal position as they are lifted. From there, they can be rotated horizontally. This simplifies handling processes. The JumboFlex comes with a quick change adapter. This feature enables the vacuum gripper to be changed without tools in just a few steps. Through a variety of grippers, the tube lifter can be adapted to a workpiece, whether cardboard boxes, plastic bins, baggage, bags, foil trays, or jugs. For complex workpieces, Schmalz also offers specially designed gripping solutions. The JumboFlex can optionally be equipped with a radio remote control. That way, the operator can turn the vacuum generator on and off directly at the handle. The JumboFlex is designed for 3 load ranges, up to 20, 35, or 50 kilograms. Schmalz offers crane systems that are configured specifically to match the lift capacity. With column-mounted jib cranes, wall-mounted jib cranes, and overhead bridge crane systems, Schmalz offers the optimum solution for all applications. Their excellent weight-load ratio make these cranes exceptionally easy to operate. At Schmalz, ergonomics and safety have high priority when developing a tube lifter. Users benefit from lifting aids that provide a comfortable working environment and support healthy work routines. Also, tube lifters contribute to higher productivity. The vacuum lifters are especially optimized for the requirements of an application. Experienced system consultants work closely together with the customer.